Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable or turn on Apple Intelligence on iPhone in iOS 26. If you are using any iPhone and you want to turn on or enable Apple Intelligence in iOS 26, so let's see how can you easily do that. You just have to open up your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for Apple Intelligence or Siri option. And here, first of all, you have to enable this toggle. Once you have enabled Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. Now you have to select the talk to Siri option and you have to enable this toggle which is press side button for Siri. So once you have enabled, you can select Hey Siri or Hi Siri if you want. But I'm going to enabling just this toggle. Once you have done, you have to press and hold your power button and it will enable Siri in your phone. Here you can see our Siri has been enabled. Or if your Siri hasn't enabled, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. You just have to make a force restart your phone, so quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes pretty black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until it goes pretty black. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, it will fix your issue. So you just have to wait for your phone until it restarts. And after that, you have to swipe up, enter passcode here. And here you have to press and hold your power button and here you will Siri will be enabled. So in this way, you can easily enable your Apple Intelligence or Siri in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.